I do okay. Thank you. I do all right. So, I still not go dance today.
She not tell me anything now.
I want to say if Esty sister. Eh? Every time you say you're hot like this, when you tell me that one, I heard you're hot like fire.
Thank you. Baddie.
Yeah, what did they do, sir?
I don't understand.
Like, what did they do for a living?
Oh, and they go up and down. Just Esty go welcome.
Alpha, what did they do here?
Esty, calm down now. Eh? So I know they can find you as come as.
Don't find me, I better go. Call it go. Don't find me.
You if you ask me, say, Papilo. But if you find come out, she don't pursue me.
Papilo, I don't want to know. Come they go.
Make me Papilo, they go.
Papilo, I go change that for you. Call it go. Oh yeah. You said if you don't even know, just open door for anybody. Opo. Call it go, I beg.
Still, calm down. This boy don't wait for you since.
Go buy medicine because you know that you don't dare. I want to pay me. Go buy medicine.
What did they do you?
Follow him.
No.
Or there. Just the open door. Anyhow.
Fine girl.
How far now?
Oh boy, that your sister. She get my pursue me come off from her house.
Sorry, she not in a good mood. Sorry.
She know they good mood. Only I know you dey good mood. But I don't wanna buy the way, Sha. What be your name, Seth?
My name is Eseosa. But if you call me Akanchawa Baddie, now it is.
See, I like you, die. You know better your sister. You know what you want. You dey straightforward.
Yeah, they straightforward though. Now one way I know they play games.
Yeah, you play games. That one a shorty now. How far now? You dey free? I'm gonna just go shift for one side. You're there, alright. Make like two bubble just there our table they go. How you see her now? You go dey free. That one a small thing. Excuse me. Alpha. You dey Lekki? Like right now. Hope say better deal. I know I go pink on location and a small matter now. A small matter for my tires now. They show no wahala. Alright, no wahala. I go dey come now. Alright.
You dey go Lekki?
I tell my guy they stay now.
I beg, I feel follow you go Lekki. This area don't tire me.
Oh wahala now, nothing to you now.
Okay. I beg with me, I go give Esty these drugs. I'll come back, we'll go. I beg.
Wahala.
Now your car with this.
Am I motor now? Who won't get am before?
You know, big boy.
Wait too. Because I dey dress like this. I dey like show myself now. You like to dey low key.
Now, so good like that.
That's all life be now. Yourself now, tell me about yourself now. What about you?
Me, I be Benin girl. I can't Lagos.
The Benin girl? For me, they like Benin girls. I said they hot thing. They hot die. Benin girls.
I know the only Benin girl you know.
Today? I won't be lying before me, no reason now. I be the first Benin girl me don't know. First Benin girl.
So you get us for Lekki?
No, my guy house. What's up?
No, my dream not to buy house for Banana Island.
You this girl. I today shook you. We won't buy house for Banana Island.
So.
No, I don't think I'm a believer where say if you get out, you get out.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible. No be you.
I will buy the house.
Amen.
Now if that you come.
Normals now. Now we can celebrate with you now. You want me?
I like to be good Lekki, Sha.
So it be Lekki, I'm big fine area like that now. I'm big boy. Let's say their game will cut my girl with that.
This was. I never know my regular. I don't tell you before if you dey carry club, no carry house now. They know they win match. You know they hear.
Wetin be that one? Wetin be that one?
One kind of over 4. You know they good.
Guy, man.
Better pass.
Oh, papilo. Man,
Come on, no dey tire Matthias. Come on,
Gary.
who dey? How far?
Big Paps.
About me, they call Big Paps. Me and you senior. Your grandfather.
Big
senior.
Paps.
Guy.
How far now? Huh?
See money now.
I mean, I'm not too loud the matter. This is Akanchawa Baddie. The latest babe in town, eh? The wine.
Which kind name be Akanchawa Baddie?
What's up?
Good.
Millionaire made easy. Me. Aye.
Millionaire made. Oh boy. Names though. But I find chic, sha. Yeah.
I'm not just on one big thing, eh? She's one of the most interesting babe I've ever seen for my life.
Tell me something.
I'm not giving her the breaking news. She says she go one day own house for Banana Island.
You say what?
The girl get big dreams.
I'm not be small dreams, so you know the reason.
Makes sense, sha. One come find girl.
See this babe like this,
No.
She gets her, no reason.
She get money.
It's where they stay with Esty.
Huh?
Interesting.
How many Esty your brain know? The Esty way you know now.
For real?
No man's now. I mean, I carry one last year first. So, baby, I see so. Now we area be this. So if you all climb up now, I was going to view around. The see house everywhere day. Oh, voilà. No worry. Also, my place be this. So forget that it says oh more gas. My place we all go over the view around. Nothing will happen. Eh? Right now, no worry. Millionaire baby. Banana Island they call me. Where is it now?
Guys,
Get me that for you this up.
guys, we need to plan this thing sharp.
Yeah.
Because from waiting I hear so,
The mullah dey inside the house. Like now.
Yeah, for real. We need to. You know, it's very much important.
The mullah.
I swear, we need to plan them fast.
Naija.
Based on the map code on drive.
You have to make it you go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it so far head. Chasing the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere na way. You have to blow. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Pepperless money sweet. Nobody like it so far head. Nobody wants suffer. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow, anyhow, anywhere na way. And if you want make level change, wahala must dey. Some people around you go tell you get away because some dey jealous, but they don't lose focus.
Hello.
Where you dey?
I dey Lekki.
Now.
Estilo, now what for you? Why you not tell me say Papilo get money? You know if he introduce us, you know try you.
Papilo.
I did one of you get house for Lekki.
You transfer fare.
Eh?
If you no get, make a transfer to you sharp. They come house now.
Why everything happen?
No question. Those guys don't get good intentions. Leave that house now.
I still go back to the house like my mama. Don't be her fault. I don't too take for her hands. I'll soon move go Banana Island. She'll still show they talk to like this. This bed solid. No be like our own. Don't get bored.
Yeah, guys, we'll just follow the initial plan.
Fine girl. You don't shake that place finish.
Everywhere fine.
I don't say you go like that. I no go like check outside.
Outside.
Outside gone level where now.
Akanchawa Baddie, right?
Yes.
Why don't you, go outside, look around, take a tour, and let me give you something to, To get something for yourself. Yeah. This is 20,000 naira. You can buy anything you want.
Thank you. I go check outside. Ouch.
Enjoy yourself, bro. Just
Lost.
So guys,
Papi, why you bring this girl come us? You know say we get work this night and you bring her come.
Papa. I will see now today with the major operation.
You don't know.
Papa, this I know. I'm gonna make sure say this girl will come here today now. I don't get idea there.
okay, guys. Let's keep it on the low, okay? We need to focus. This particular deal is a deal that will change our life. So let's focus and achieve it. No distraction. If we miss this deal, we'll be left with nothing. So let's focus on the deal, okay? Please. Everybody should be calm. Yeah.
Just because you go Papilo house, I don't already get 20,000 naira. Now that house I will stay now. Esty asked me, I don't like her. Beg. 20K just like that. Biggest essay of the biggest essay. So all those say all these Lekki girls they wear, I'll be wearing. Akanchawa Baddie. You don't be calm. 90%. Go. I want to make my hair.
I'm so broke. God. I break. You're welcome, ma. You're welcome. Are you here for the biggest sale of the year?
Yes, I'm here to make my hair.
No problem. Come with me. Come and have a seat. Please take your seat. Have your seat. I'll be right back.
Why? I care for why. You'll still come back with more.
Yes, ma. Here's some of the hair that we have. We have this is coily. You will like this one, it's very, very nice.
Which one be the longest
Long
one?
one. That's the one with you, ma.
No, this one?
Yes, ma.
Nice.
Yes, ma. Yes.
Do
you like this?
Do you help me now?
Yes, you too. You're good.
Okay, you help me. May I remove this one?
Yes.
He said, I don't like her. I help you and say...
This is a very nice choice. It's very nice.
You want to store now?
Yes, I'll get the equipment.
Let me hand the reach my forehead.
No problem. You look beautiful, ma.
Thank you.
You like it?
I like it. See?
Are you paying with cash or with card?
No, I'll pay cash.
I'll be right back.
Okay. See? Akanchawa Baddie. Okay, no say the toast 90% off. I'll pay you and take it if it's our present. If you know you're coming back 20K, may your try first. Okay, thank you.
Your bill, ma. Your bill.
Maybe. How much be this?
555,000 naira, ma.
5,050 come.
No, ma. 555,000 naira, ma. The hair.
You add the 90% off the hair.
The 10% is off the hair, 90% off installation. That is for the discount.
So the bill now
555,000 naira, ma. Yes.
You think I'll do now? Yeah, this is 500,000. And
Ma,
they create.
are you paying with cash or card?
She get problem.
Madam.
I carry my leg enter. So.
Madam.
for your
Madam.
face front, they waka, they go.
Madam, are you okay?
If you go fit carry you go police
Are you
station.
okay? Madam, are you okay? Madam, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you paying with cash or with card?
Then what is my head?
Madam, are you okay? Is everything? Are you okay?
You want to take my
Nothing is wrong with the
What is wrong
air.
with my head?
And where is one of the best? Nothing is wrong.
carry me go cover. Hey!
Call the security.
Yeah,
Are you okay?
Remember.
Are you okay? Call the security. Call the security.
When I want my son, Lekki. Hey, go carry. Hey. Hey, Lekki. God, I beg, God forgive me. Saloba. They go say I escape that problem, oh. 500K for weave. Where I go wear for my head? For Lekki? Lekki una be fake left. 500K. They go say I find way, oh. If I lock me for prison. Hey, if I see 500K, I will see the Lagos. How can they wire me, oh? I bet me spare. No, this is for you, may I check? We were for Lekki, you're the cheap.
Good afternoon, you're welcome to Bash Cafe and Restaurant. How may I help you?
Good afternoon, ma. I bet I get donuts and meat spare.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me 2 donuts.
Yes, ma'am.
1 meat spare and 1 fata.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 4-5, ma.
4 fed?
Yes, ma'am.
For donuts and meat spare?
Yes, ma'am.
I know that's where.
That's lucky for you. That's lucky and it's premium anyway.
So why be 4 fed? Wait be 4 fed.
She can give you the breakdown already.
The donut is 1,000 naira. The meat pie is 1,500.
And she said she wanted Fanta. Did you add it to it?
Okay.
The Fanta is 1,000.
Hey!
Yes, ma'am.
What's a 4 fed. This say donuts and meat pie they say for road 250, 200 naira.
No, this is lucky. I'm sorry.
If na Lekki, Igbioko, mainland. No is the cow meat now they use. I will now cow meat graduate university.
No, ma'am. Sorry, that's the price here.
God forbid, don't be me on now. It's your donut.
You're welcome, ma. You're welcome, ma. Thank you, ma.
Meat pie, 1,500 naira. Wait, don't be say you give me certificate if I shop am. This Lekki cost oh. Hey, if I paid for that meat pie, now shit out the shit. I don't fit. God forbid.
So guys, everything is in place. Let's stick to the plan, okay?
Normal things.
Oh
boy. My level be this. My level.
See the pump.
God load of it.
Where you collect this?
Where you?
Big color, big steez.
They whine me. I get plugged now.
Really talk with
They
you.
whine me.
You
Yeah,
go
you
make
go
us
so
proud.
Audition.
Well, you know, I don't know. I know they trust you.
Holy shit! Why Lekki cost like this now?
Susan,
Kilo.
you don't come.
Don't come.
How far you go now?
Lekki too cost.
Susan, see, I just let you go do now. Just try work, I'll go up here. Just do up, I'll come meet you. Yeah, and I'll go come meet you, I'll come meet you. No wahala.
I guess.
Forget greeting, just go up first, I'll come meet you. Eh?
Just big go.
Maybe small big go.
Guy, if I dey tell you something, make you listen. If you and this your shakers spoil this plan we don arrange, I no go take am lightly.
Okay, calm down, Joe. Wait, why you reason like that now? Now this girl won't cause spoil matter for us.
Na so you go talk until she really spoil the matter.
Papilo, as it be like this, you see that shankers, you go carry and put her for Uber, send her go out.
Quick.
2 seconds.
Normal thing now. Nobody's gonna call the reason.
They move.
Come on here.
This matter go reason now. This is already raise voice for me.
For the time something make the listing.
Oba carry am for me, Joe. Who you be now? No reason. The fall little for my head.
But imagine this guy. If you say she see him, you see even the talk, say.
It's like people they mad. So they won't charge me money where I never even touch for my life. On top here.
Akanchawa Baddie. Afana.
I do.
Outside.
If you see the kind of problem I enter for Lekki today, I never see that kind of problem for my life. Ha. Now narrow escape I do. Narrow escape.
Which day you can't Lekki, you don't have trouble?
The problem for me.
Trouble you're fine, you come. Eseosa. One day, I don't know your problem, man. See, get how me I won't fully discuss it. I won't book right for you if you go ask.
We don't go back together.
No. You get to see me and my guys won't just sort out for you. Yes, before you go too late. So I guys follow them demo, shimo, drum on time.
Okay.
No one. So just shift for you, You know, so like this now, you don't go find trouble for outside. Trouble gonna meet you, anyone. That one day. So just shift, maybe see how they blow you. Maybe just dey alright inside the room. Yeah, they conducive now. But dey alright. So go book your right for outside here.
Okay.
No one, they come. Akanchawa Baddie.
So guys, tonight we go for the money. And we know they come up for that place without the money.
Let push now. They wine. See, like this gone. You see that gate? I made a position for the anybody. I don't load down. And I go there inside. Now I go make una proud. Now they wine me. Go position.
Inside. I know my way around. I go meander.
Hope say this color them. They no go jam just in case.
Yeah, about the one call. Eseosa! You dey mad? No be a football camp. Make you go house.
What will you do with guns?
I go blow this head just now.
If you move,
I don't move.
Listen, I want to.
Money when you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money biggie plenty, no be carry. Akanchawa Baddie, no tire for hustle. When you make a move, then go query. If you dey pass it, then go cherry. Your money biggie plenty, no be carry. Akanchawa Baddie, you have to make it. You go blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. Beverly money sweet. Nobody like it so far. Just the money every day. Blow. Akanchawa Baddie blow. This how, that how, somehow.